strategy I use is supply and demand. Okay. Supply goes for a bearish trend and a demand go for a bullish trend. So let me give you examples. Let me remove this, make everything clear. So the bullish trend consists from a high and a low. Okay.
Okay.
And we make a new high, we break a structure, and then we make a new low. And every time we make high, we make a low.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't go up straight to the upside. We can't. It's not it's impossible, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this high it's called a higher high,
Mm-hmm.
and this low is called a higher low. Okay?
High or low.
Yes, sir. And every time the price keep going up, it must break the previous higher high to make a new higher high.
Okay.
It must break the previous higher high to make a new higher high. And also it must make a new higher low and keep pushing to the upside and break the previous higher high to make a new higher high.
So it has to have a move up and a move down.
What? Say what?
So it would have to have a move up and a move down, right?
Uh, I didn't
Or none.
understand.
Like, so unable to be a higher high, it has to have a move up, like to upside, and then a move down to be a higher high.
Yeah. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, always the price make a high and then slowing down. You feel me? Like when you're sprinting like too much and then you feel exhausted and something. So you gotta slowing down and take a rest, okay?
Oh,
And
okay,
then
okay,
keep
okay.
sprinting. You cannot sprinting like for 2 hours straight. You
Yeah,
see?
you have to
Yeah,
take a risk.
yeah. Take a rest and then keep sprinting. Like the bus make a high, like keep pushing like with the momentum and then
Hmm.
slowing down. So this is the higher high and this is the higher low.
Okay.
To make a new high, we must break the previous higher high. We must break it to make a
Okay.
new higher high. And then we make a higher low and then we break it. This phenomenon is called a break of structure, BOS, a
Okay.
break of structure. We must have a break of structure. So for the bearish trend, when we are bearish this means the price going down. Okay,
Yeah.
it's the same thing. We're going down and we're slowing down. We're going up and then we're going down. We're going up and then we're going down. It's like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the lower low and this is the lower high. Lower low, lower high.
Lower
And
low and lower high.
yeah, and this is the lower low. Always.
So unable to have a lower high, you have to have a lower low.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can't
Yes,
have a lower high without that,
yeah,
right?
yes, sir. 100%. For example, we're
Okay.
going down, like here, we make a lower low, and then we going up, we make a lower high. To make a new lower low, we must break this lower low, the previous lower low,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
to
That's to
make
surpass that zone.
yeah, we must break the previous one to make a new one. We cannot make a new one without breaking the previous one. This is impossible, okay?
So if it goes down but it doesn't break it, it still is a lower high.
Say
Like it's
what?
still it, so if it goes up but it doesn't break the lower high, it's still on the low zone, right?
Yeah, you mean when going down and then keep going up, but it didn't break this. Yeah, it's still a lower high. This is still lower
Oh,
high.
okay, okay.
We must break the previous low to make a new low, always.
Oh,
And
okay.
this phenomenon is called a break of structure. It's the same thing. Okay?
POS. All right.
Yes, sir. So let me give you some real life examples for that.
All right. Real life example.
What do you see here, bro?
You're gonna make me a quiz now?
Yeah, what do you see here, bro?
I see an uptrend, man.
Yes, sir. So we're
That's good.
gonna yeah we're gonna go together. This
All right.
the higher high
Higher high, yeah.
Yeah, this is the last point, and this the lower high.
Low.
Yeah.
Oh, how is not a lower low?
What?
Why isn't it a lower low? Because it's not a
Uh,
downtrend?
no, this is uptrend, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
But
see.
so when it's a downtrend, it's a lower low, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then when it's a high trend, it's a lower high.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
You can call it a swing high and swing low to make it easy for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, don't overcomplicate. Just call it a swing high, swing low. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A high high and a high low is just uh I don't know how to say it, like the language of the market.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like the top,
Yeah, this is
and
the
once it breaks it, it's gonna keep going up, right?
yes sir,
Or
yes sir,
once it breaks the lower low, it's gonna keep going down, right?
yes
Or no?
sir, yes
Oh, okay,
sir.
okay.
So you can say swing high and swing low for the both, for the bear trend or bull trend. You can say it. For example, we have a swing high right here,
Hmm.
and we have a swing low. To make a new swing high, we must break this last structure. Okay?
Which it did.
Yeah, which we did here.
Okay.
So we did it here, and then we use slowing down, and then keep up, slowing down, keeping up, slowing down. So this is the highest point, and this is the lowest point. So
So,
the pass in between is doing bullshit. When we break this, then we
oh,
going up.
oh,
You see?
yeah. But I was gonna say, how are you gonna know when to go up and when to go down if it already kept going high?
We don't know. We don't know nothing.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
We don't know.
Yeah, we have the highest point and we have the lowest point, and we are in a
Mm-hmm.
bullish trend. So the price going up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So when we have the highest point and we have the lowest point and the price is between, we're waiting for the price to break either this high
Or
to make a retracement and then keep pushing up. But in some cases, if we break this low, the trend is gonna shift to a bearish trend. Okay.
okay.
I'm gonna
And
teach you this. I'm gonna teach you this. So, for example, we have a high, we have a low. We have a new high, we have a new low, and we
mhm.
have a new high. Okay, and the price keep doing like this. So this is the highest point, and this is the lowest point. If the price break this previous higher high, then we are in an uptrend.
Bullish.
So yeah,
Okay,
we
bullish.
keep going up. But
Mm-hmm.
if the price break the low, but they didn't break the high first, but it break the low first, then the price shift to a bearish trend.
How would you know it's bearish and not a retest?
Yeah, as I told you, every time the price
Oh,
when
I
going
think I
up,
get you.
yeah, when the price going up, they slowing down. And then when the price slowing down, it must break the previous high to
Oh,
make a new high. But
yeah,
if
yeah.
yeah, but if it didn't break the previous high, but it break the low instead, then we shift to bearish trend.
Hmm.
See, if the price didn't break the high, but it break the low, then shift it for bearish trend.
Yeah.
Okay, and
So
this
until it breaks,
yeah, and this we call it a shift of structure.
SOS.
Yeah, shift of structure.
Okay.
It's the same thing as a bear trend. For example, we have a bear trend, we have the low and we have the high here. The price must break the low to make a new low, and then we make a high. We must break the low to make a new low. But the price break the high, didn't break the previous low, then we shift to a bullish trend.
Okay.
Understood?
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you an example for that, of course. For
Oh, my
example,
pen is not working. Hmm. Okay.
okay, this is the perfect example you're gonna have, though.
All right. Let me see.
Look, together, okay? We have a low, we have a high. We have a low, we have a high. This is the last point, and this is the highest point. The past didn't break yet. Okay, they still doing this and then eventually break. So this is the new high and this is the new low. So
Hmm.
we do like this and like
Oh,
this.
okay.
And the past doing like this, and then we break the low. So this is our new low and this is our new high. And the price eventually didn't break the low, but instead break the high. So we shift to a bullish trend. See? From a bearish to a bullish.
But
Any
that
question?
would be, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, well, tell me.
So, for example, that was in a low trend, and
Yeah.
it broke structure. Right of I can't point, but it broke some structure somewhere there, right? And then to the downside, and then it
Mhm.
kept going to the downside. But how do you know on those two confirmations that it won't go more down? You know, because it
Yeah,
already confirmed with the breaks of structure, but then it went up because it broke the highest high, right? But
yeah.
how would you know that if it already broke two lower lows?
I don't know what's the kind of question. This is the first time I heard this question. Like honestly,
Look,
yeah.
man, I'm gonna tell you something, Zach. I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah,
I should
yeah.
have told you before. I don't know if you're gonna be like, no, I don't want to be your mentor. But
That's okay.
in every aspect of my life, bro,
Uh-huh.
I try to be like sure to the fullest and everything. So I make like questions. Like when I was in math, I didn't like math, right? But the teacher
But
just said,
listen. I got your point. I got your point. But
okay, okay,
listen, in trading, I don't want you to overcomplicate it. Okay?
all right, I'm gonna
I
listen
don't
on that.
want you to overcomplicate. If you overcomplicate it, you're gonna hesitate too much. When you hesitating too much, you're gonna take hella losses. Okay? So I don't want you to do that. So make
All right,
it
just
as
simple,
simple
simple.
as possible. I'm gonna do everything from the scratch, okay? I want to
All
make
right.
it as simple as possible. When we are in a bullish trend, we must break a high to make a new
Uh-huh.
high, okay? Always we make a high and then we make a low. And then it's a must, okay? We must break the previous high to make a new high, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we make a low. And of
Okay.
course, we must break the high. But when the price making a new low, you see,
Yeah.
now it must the price right here, okay? The price right
Yeah.
here, it must break a new the previous high to make a new high. But the price didn't break the previous high, but instead it break the previous low. When it's break the previous low, then we shift to a bearish.
Okay.
Okay?
Market shifts.
Yeah, the market shift from a bullish one to a bearish one. It's easy. It's easy. When we are in a bullish trend, we must break the high. When we are in a bearish trend, we must break the low. But if we didn't break the high in a bullish trend and we break the low instead, then we have the shift of structure. Okay? It's the same thing for a bearish trend. Let me do it again for you. For example, this is a bearish trend. We must break the low. Always we must break the low to make a new low. But the price making a retracement and then didn't break the low. Instead, it break the high. Then we shift to a bullish trend. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So it's the same example as here, bro. It's the same thing. The price going down, then keep up. Going down, keep up. Going down. You see right here?
Mm-hmm.
If we are going down, the price is gonna make a retracement and then we break this low. But instead, the price break the high. Didn't break the low first. Okay, it break the high. When it's break the high, we shift to a bullish trend. So
Yeah.
this is the high, this is the low. The price retest and then keep pushing up.
They change it to bullish.
Yeah, but I promise you it's fucking easy. Promise you.
Yeah, already I'm already getting it.
Yeah, don't worry about that, bro. It's the same example as here, bro. Look at this. Going down, we have a retracement and then we break this low. Okay. Retracement, we break this low. Retracement, we break this low. And then the price retest, but didn't break the low. But instead it break the high. When it's break the high, when we are in an uptrend. See?
Oh yeah. It broke.
Yes,
It
sir.
broke the last highest high, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Even give me another examples.
Market shift.
Mhm. Have any question?
I'm taking notes. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So this is what put. So unable to be continuing on a trend. So if it's on a bearish, it has to be breaking the lowest low
Yeah.
for it can keep being bearish. If it's gonna be a bullish, it has to break the highest high, right? Like the
Yes,
previous
sir.
highest high.
Yes, sir. The
Okay,
previous high. But
that's it.
if
I'm just
yeah,
gonna keep it.
yeah, yeah. But if we didn't break the high, but we break the low instead, then we have the shift of structure.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah,
So what do you see here, bro? Mm.
bullish.
Okay. So we're gonna go slowly together. Okay.
All right.
So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. The price make a retracement and then have the highest point. And this is our lowest point. And then the price make a retracement and
Okay.
then we break this the previous high. So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. Raise the yes, sir. So
It
this
keeps
is
breaking.
yeah, retracement, and then this is the highest point. We must break the highest point. Okay, price retracement, and then do like this, and then we eventually broke. So this is the
Right
highest
there.
point. This is the lowest point, and then the price
Okay.
do, and then break. So this is the highest point. This is the lowest point, and then the price break the low, didn't break the high. We have temporary a bearish trend, and then we shift instantly to bullish, and then we keep pushing up. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I want you to understand, for example, price going up, going up, going up, shift to bearish, and then immediately shift to bullish, and then immediately shift to bearish. It's normal in trading. You see this price action. Okay?
Yeah.
When you are like in a bullish trend, like immediately shift to bearish, and then immediately shift to bullish again, and then shift to bearish, and then shift to bullish. Okay? It's normal
That's
in
what I
trading.
was. That's what I was asking like a while ago. Because, for example, we were on a bullish because it's breaking high, lower, high, higher.
Yeah.
I mean, it's breaking previous highs, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
that was the answer, like you said. It suddenly breaks to the downside and then it goes to upside. So
Yeah.
how would you know when to enter? Like, it's not a lot about market structure, right? Because it's
No,
so
no, no, no.
simple.
Listen, listen, listen. The entry signal and the supply and demand, we're gonna get to that later, okay?
Oh,
But
okay. We're
yeah, but
just seeing market structure.
yes, sir. I wanted to understand the market structure, so
Hmm.
everything is gonna be clear for you and everything is gonna click for you. Okay. So
Hmm.
when you the market structure is the base, okay, is the
Hmm.
base of the trading of everything. You must know the market structure so you can read the market. When you pull up the chart, you can see you can read the market. Okay. So what do you see? We have a bearish trend and shift to
Hmm.
bullish trend. You see?
Yeah.
And you know everything. So market structure is make you able to read the market. Okay.
Okay.
It's not Chinese anymore.
Yeah, I get
Yeah.
it now.
Yeah, you must like learn the market structure first, and then we're gonna get to that later.
All right,
Okay?
all right.
All
That
right.
sounds great.
Sounds good. Also, I use the EMAs. You see the
Oh
EMAs?
yeah, I was gonna ask you that question because on the
Yeah.
videos you sent me a while ago,
Yeah, the EMAs is basically dynamic support and resistance. Okay?
support and resistance.
Yeah, dynamic. It's
What do you mean
dynamic support.
dynamic?
I'm gonna show
Like
you.
simple?
Uh, dynamic, I don't know how to say it. It's just dynamic. Dy-
Oh, for real?
just dynamic support and resistance. I don't know how to say. Just holding the price accountable. When you see the price like holding the EMAs, you see the price holding the
Okay.
EMAs accountable. See that?
Those, like, how do you read them hospital lines?
Yeah,
All
yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
right, all right.
The EMAs is gonna help you identify the trend. So we are
Oh.
when we see a bullish trend and we see the EMAs going up. So you see all the EMAs going up like with the trends. This is
Mhm.
extra confluence. We are in a bullish trend. Okay,
So,
understood?
so do you recommend me putting them on my trading view?
100%.
100%. Ah, he said 100%. All right.
100%, bro. 100%. For example, bro, like
All
the
right.
EMAs is gonna help you so much. So we are on for example, on a bullish trend and the price
Hmm.
shift to bearish, and then keep doing this, and then keep doing that. Like shift to bearish and then shift to bullish. But the EMAs is going bullish. So
Oh,
so we
so
are in
you
a
know it's
bullish
gonna
trend.
keep bullish.
Yeah.
Oh,
When
oh, that's nice.
when I see a shift of structure and a bearish trend, I know it's gonna be temporary bearish trend. It's not gonna be forever
Oh,
the bearish
because
trend.
of the because of the EMA.
Yeah, because the EMAs is going up.
Dang. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
why. So my EMAs, I'm gonna show you my indicator. You go to trading view and then press indicator and then
Oh,
just type 3MA and then the first one. Just click,
dinner.
yeah, click for the first one and then go to the setting. I use
Give me a second. Let me go to my trading view. All right. So we go to trading view. So you said it no matter I didn't have the premium thing, whatever,
Say
right?
what?
You said it didn't matter I had the premium or not, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, bro.
All right, because it's talking about me Cyber Monday, 80% off, something like that. All right,
Yeah.
so I go to the indicator button and then
Uh,
I put 3MA.
3MA, that's it.
Yeah, 3MA, and it's the dinner, right? The
Yeah, yeah, the first
dinar,
one.
whatever. All right. Do I just like start it?
Yeah, just
Oh yeah, I
tap.
see it, but it's yellow, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, it's two of them. Okay, now let me see your setting. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can. I use the 10, the 20, and the 200 SMA.
Hmm.
Okay, the 10 EMA, the 20 EMA,
Oh, because
and
mine is on 50. And
yeah, you can change. And the 20
why
EMA,
mine? Why does mine say SMA?
you
Oh, I
you
can
can
change
change
it
it.
to
Yeah, yeah, I can
yeah.
say.
Bless you.
And the I cough. I didn't like
Oh,
sneeze.
my bad.
And the 200 SMA.
And 200.
So we have the type of market. We have the consolidation market, like the market going sideways. It's not going anywhere. Okay, it's just going
Okay,
up, going down, or going up, going down. Like
that's consolidation, right?
yeah, consolidation. It's stuck in a
Okay.
range. It's stuck in a range from the top to the bottom. Stuck in a range. Okay, and
Okay.
this range is called a support and a resistance. Okay,
Support. Oh, yeah, like the highest high and the lowest low is.
yeah.
Oh no,
No, no. I'm gonna show it. So the top is the
it's
resistance,
resistance. Mhm.
and the bottom is the support. Okay,
Support to go up.
yeah. The price
Oh.
when hit the support is gonna go up. When the price hit the resistance is gonna go down. Okay.
Oh my God, bro. Being some sauce.
Yeah, it's like throwing like a tennis ball from the floor to the ceiling and from the ceiling to the floor. You see?
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
from
okay.
when you pull and when you like hit the tennis ball like too hard from the floor, is gonna bounce from the floor
Hmm.
and hit the roof, and from the roof is gonna bounce back and hit the floor. You see?
That's a nice explanation.
Yeah, yes, sir. Like when you look up, you're gonna see the resistance on top of you. Okay,
So
so
let me take that note. Resistance is wait, but how do you know? Hang on, let me just write this down. So if that is resistance and the bottom is support, how do you know when in consolidation it's touching the price up and down? How do you know it's not gonna keep going up?
well,
Or
I'm gonna show you example, of course.
oh, all right,
Okay,
I see one right there.
right here. See that?
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's
Support
just
is
going
this.
sideways.
Yeah, sideways. Right here, sideways.
Mm-hmm.
See that? And
Yeah,
also to identify a sideway market, when we have the 200 EMA, SMA is flat. It's going flat. It's not going bullish or bearish.
like
It's just
like that one
flat.
right there, right?
Yeah.
I like
You see the 200 SMA is flat.
yeah,
You
it's
see it's
flat
flat. Then we
because it's not
can,
gonna
yeah,
go to the side.
yeah. Then we're gonna identify this as a consolidation market. It's a shopping market. Okay. Let me go on Nasdaq. Let me see. Yeah, for example, right here, bro. See, sideways market. It's not going anywhere. Okay? It's not going anywhere. The market is not going anywhere. Also, right here. Let me move this. Also, right here. It's a tiny, like this and like this. The market is stacking in a range. See that?
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere. That's how you
So you don't
identify.
trade there, right?
Yeah, we don't trade that shit, bro.
But
So
I think you do trade once it gets out consolidation, or like you know when it's
yeah.
gonna go up or down.
Yeah, when we break the consolidation, then I'm gonna take a trade. Then I'm
Oh,
gonna looking for demand for supply. Then I wanna see the trend when the where the trend is going, and then I can see.
Espanol,
Yeah,
Espanol.
Espanol.
Bro, like supply and everything. I'm like, what is that, bro?
So also right here, the market is
Isn't
going like this, and the
yeah.
200 SMA is flat. See that? 200 SMA is flat.
Isn't supply and demand kind of the same as resistant and or no?
No, no.
No?
We gonna add to that. I'm gonna show you everything, so don't worry, don't overthink it too much. Just sit down, relax. I want to understand the market structure and the support and resistance, and then we're gonna get to that later. Okay? So
All right.
don't worry about that. So
All right. I'm gonna
yeah,
just be listening.
yeah. So this is the whole session is gonna be market structure, only market structure. Okay? It's only gonna be market structure and sideways market. And also we have the EMAs on our side. And also I teach you the support and the resistance. Okay?
Okay.
The resistance is on top, the support is on the bottom. And
Yeah.
also I'm gonna show you when we have a consolidation. So this is the resistance, this is the resistance, and this is the support. When the price break the resistance, this resistance is gonna be is
Support.
God damn it, bro. Yes, sir. It's gonna be the
Yeah.
support. Yeah,
Ah, let's go.
it's gonna hold the price and then
Like
the
it
price
moves
keep
up, right?
pushing. Yes, sir.
All
And
right.
the price, if the price break the support is
God
gonna
damn it, bro.
turn yeah into resistance and then we keep going going
It
down.
stays up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God damn it. Yeah, I like that. I like that, bro.
You
Honestly.
like it. You like it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I'm getting
sir.
the hang of it.
Yes, sir, 100%. I understood
We
it.
keep it simple, man.
100%, brother. 100%. You have any questions so far?
Um, question. I mean, no, you already explained that thing. That was a question, but you already explained it at the end. Like once it breaks,
Mm-hmm.
it becomes support, right?
Yes, sir.